honeys, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and installing this beautiful wig that SVT Hair sent me. Now when they sent me this package, they also sent me some goodies. I received lashes. I also received some ball caps or wig caps. You know, we love those. Those always come in handy. SVT sent me this beautiful 5x5 HD lace closure wig. She is 30 inches, very true to length. The hair texture was absolutely beautiful. I barely got any shedding. As you can see, I was just, running my fingers through it, seeing how much I could pull out of it. Nothing was really coming out. The bounce, the texture of it is just beautiful. Feels like butter. The lace is amazing. So I just want to say thank you and shout out to SVT Hair for sponsoring this video. We're about to get into the install. Do y'all see that lace? Me either. I don't. This is like a fresh perm. That lace melted beautifully. Okay, the wig was super easy to pluck. Lace was very easy to tint, install, all of that. She looks like my hair. And like, you could really kill a look without no baby hairs. You could really do this look with no baby hairs. This wig was absolutely perfect. But you know me, the girls love baby hairs. And now I'm just taking a little bit of extra powder just to tint the lace some more. But that's my own opinion. She really did not need it. She was already gorgeous off the bat. I'm back. I have finished the hair. She is beautiful. The hair, I finished installing the hair. She's gorgeous. I just want to say this was one of the easiest installs I have ever had to do. The hair, the texture is extremely soft. The lace melted effortlessly, beautifully. Like, what lace? This is a perm. This is a good perm. Like, she's literally coming out of my scalp. And she is 30 inches for the girls. She's 30 inches. In case you, okay. And I know, like, sometimes people be shorting, y'all not, they're not shorting on the 30 inches. This is the full 30-inch wig. I just want to say she is absolutely beautiful. I can't find any complaints. I love this wig. I absolutely love this wig. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias down below. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and everybody who's been supporting me. I really appreciate it. I do see you. I got a ring light, y'all. Y'all see that quality? Get at your girl. Get at your girl. But anyways, I just want to say thank you for everybody supporting me. Follow me, like I said, follow me on my social medias down below. They will link down below. So subscribe, like, and comment for me. I keep seeing that because y'all need to subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Have a blessed day.